Hi, sweeties! Today we are going to draw Masha with 2 bears. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Masha. I draw the shape of her face. Then I draw her 2 cute eyes. I draw her nose and her smiling mouth with her teeth. Her hair and the scarf around her head. Hey, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Then I draw her 2 hands, like this. Now let's draw a female bear on one of her sides. I start with the shape of her face. I draw her nose and her tender eyes. Her ears. Then I draw her mouth with her teeth. Now I draw her body. She's holding her arms like this. Last but not least, I draw the male bear on the other side. I draw his big nose and his smiling mouth with teeth. I draw his eyes. Then I draw his face. And the shape of his head with his 2 ears. Then I draw his body. They look so cute! Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with Masha's skin and I use this pink marker. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Then I color her hair with yellow. Light pink and red for her mouth. Light green for her 2 eyes. For her dress, I use fuchsia. And finally, I use light blue. Now, let's color the female bear. I use light orange for the fur of her face. Brown for her eyes and ears. Light pink for her mouth. Then I use dark brown for her nose and claws. And now again, brown for the fur of her body. for the male bear, I start with light pink for his mouth. Dark brown for his big nose, eyebrows and ears. I use light brown for his eyes. Now I use orange for the fur of his face and belly. Finally, I use light brown for all the other parts of his body. I love it! Good job!
Wow!
Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!